In the mystical realm of Vedanta, where divine rivers flowed and ancient forests whispered secrets, a young couple, Kavi and Nalini, defied the shackles of a regressive society. Their love blossomed like a lotus in the holy lake of Pushkar, pure and strong. But alas, their families belonged to different castes, a taboo in the eyes of the patriarchal monsters who ruled with iron fists. The couple's love was deemed a sacrilege, a threat to the outdated order. As they stood firm against the tide of oppression, the darkness gathered, ready to strike and tear them asunder. As the forces of hatred closed in, Kavi and Nalini sought refuge in the sacred temple of Lord Vishnu. The benevolent deity, witness to their unwavering devotion, descended upon the earth in his celestial form. With a sweep of his hand, he summoned his divine weapon, the Sudarshana Chakra, a glowing disc of energy that obliterated the patriarchal monsters. The couple watched in awe as the chakra dispatched the oppressors, its rays disintegrating their dark intentions. Vishnu's avatar, with skin like the bluest sapphire, stood tall, his eyes blazing with a fierce determination to protect the innocent. As the dust settled, the god turned to the couple and bestowed his blessings, declaring their love a beacon of hope in a world torn apart by petty divisions. With the darkness vanquished, Kavi and Nalini were free to unite in matrimony, their bond strengthened by the divine intervention. And so, their love became a shining example of the triumph of true devotion over the forces of hate, inspiring generations to come. Lord Vishnu's eternal vigilance ensured that the flames of love and acceptance would forever burn bright in the realm of Vedanta.